Hi guys, today I'm doing our Christmas house tour. I'm so excited to share this with you. If you've been following along all December, then you've probably seen a lot of my Christmas decorating videos and all that. So some of this stuff is gonna look pretty familiar too, since I've shared it all in decorating videos, but I still thought it would be fun to give you guys one big overview. I've never done a Christmas tour before, so I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so this is our front door. I did do a whole porch decorating video. If you guys missed that, I'll have it linked down below so you can check it out, because I love the way our porch turned out this year. It looks really cute, but I'll give you guys a little clip too. I'll insert a little clip because it looks really cute at night. As soon as you walk in the door, we have this little mirror here and then this little ledge. So right here, just for the holidays, I thought it'd be fun to leave my little camera over here. Just if guests are over, we can take pictures. We actually just had a family Christmas party this past weekend and we were taking pictures and stuff. These are the two that are left of Joshua and I that I just left up here. But I just thought this is kind of fun to have out for the holidays. And then these two trees, I love them so much. I got really obsessed with bottle brush trees this winter, and these are from Target. I'll leave links down below for a lot of the items I shared today too. But I just love the colors of these. They had a bunch of different colors and stuff, but I got really into these trees this year, and I think it looks really nice right here by the entryway. I kind of just want to leave them up all winter long now. This is our formal living room right here. I shared decorating this huge tree in a video, and I love it so much. I just love the black and white, the whole color scheme. I love how big this tree is, and honestly, I can't picture myself ever doing a different themed tree in this room. I just love this one so much. It's a lot of work to decorate, so it's probably gonna stay up for a while, but I just think it looks so gorgeous. So in this room, we didn't really do anything too crazy. Right on this chair right here, I have an UGG blanket right here, and then I have this little Joy pillow. These are both from Bed Bath & Beyond. Over here on this couch, I didn't really do anything crazy over here too. These are pillows that I'm probably just gonna leave out all winter long. But right here in the window, it might be kind of hard to tell because the light's coming in, but I do have these birch trees right here. They light up, they look really pretty at night, but these are from JCPenney, and I just think they look really pretty here. I love them. And then I did add a couple pillows right here too. I love having this really big window ledge right here, so I just thought it kind of cozied the space up by adding a couple pillows. They just look wintry. So yeah, and this one is so soft. This is an UGG pillow. This way over here is our dining room. Again, I did a decorating video on the dining room, but I think it looks gorgeous. So this is kind of the whole setup that we have. I did a little village right here in the middle for the centerpiece, and I love that so much. I got really into the villages this year. This stuff is all from Target, including the table runner, my little pop of red here, but I love it so much. We also, oh, I didn't have this lit up. This Christmas tree is from Bed Bath & Beyond last year. They still have the same one this year, but I just used my extra silver bulbs on here, just really simple so it didn't clash with my big tree. But I love this room so much. It just feels super whimsical and pretty. Right over next to Joshua right here, we have our little buffet. This is new from World Market, and I love it. It's just kind of nice to have a little bit extra added storage, but we just put this simple piece. This could also be used for a centerpiece on a table. This is from JCPenney, and then these really pretty lights. I have these on a timer, so they just come on automatically every day, but these ones are from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then our picture ledge. Guys, I still do not have pictures on my picture ledge. I will get there. After Christmas and the holiday season is over, I'm gonna get back to kind of decorating. I've been focused on Christmas decorating right now, and not actually decorating my house. So after Christmas, I'm gonna get back to doing things like this, getting pictures for all these frames. But I love these right here. These are just little pics from Target. And when my mom and I were there one day, we actually saw a picture on the wall. Somebody had one of these just kind of hanging off of a floating shelf, and I was like, oh, that would look so cute on my picture ledges. So I did one here and then one over here. and I just think it just added a little extra, added something. And then I just did a simple wreath in here. Or I did this wreath in that tree over there in our guest bedroom last year. But this year I didn't even decorate upstairs. I kept everything just super simple and then only decorated down here. So yeah, that's how this room turned out. Moving on to our kitchen. We have a smaller kitchen, so I like to keep everything super simple in here so it doesn't feel like messy or too overwhelming for me. So I have this little tray right here. It just says Be Merry. This was from Target, I think last year or the year before, but I know I got it on clearance after Christmas. So I just love it. I think it's really cute. And then this is a Christmas candle from Target. Pretty much everything I got this year is from Target. They just have so many great Christmas things. So I think this just looks pretty and simple here. I leave this tray out around Christmas as well. This is like the Fiesta brand. Joshua's mom got this for me a few years ago for Christmas and I love it. I just think it's really fun. So I just decided to keep it out on the counter so if like we have cookies or anything we want to put out there like special treats, then I know where it is. And then nothing too crazy in here. I just have my wreath. This is the one that my mom found from Big Lots and it goes really well with my colorful tree in the family room, which I'll show you guys in a second. But I think it's just a really fun little cute wreath. And then that was pretty much it for the kitchen except my dish towels. I just added some green ones. But yeah, that was pretty much it for my kitchen area. At the beginning of the season, I kind of thought about doing like garland on top of the cabinets and going crazy, but I didn't do that. So moving on, all I have on these little floating shelves right here is one little Christmas tree. That's all, just a simple one. I'm pretty sure my mom gave this one to me like a few years ago and I'm pretty sure she got it from Target. But you'll see a trend. I have a lot of trees in here. And then moving on, this is my favorite room and we have the fireplace on right now. You might hear it in the background. I apologize. But this is our tree. I love this little flocked tree. I did an entire decorating video on this tree and I love the way it turned out. I love these colors. I loved the flocked tree. I've always wanted one. This one's from Walmart. It was only $79. And I'm just obsessed with it. It's the same ones that we have on our front porch, but I'm so glad I got it. I also love my little tree color. I was really, really excited about that this year. And then over here, we just celebrated Joshua's family's Christmas the other day, and my Secret Santa got me a record player. So I have this out, and I just think it looks festive, but it's just really cute. So that's new to this room. And then in this room, oh, over in this corner, some of you will be really proud of me because I haven't decorated this bar cart in so long. But I ended up just putting the bar cart over here. I didn't do anything too crazy. Just these are all things that I already had, like extra trees. These are plates and napkins that I had got like from Home Goods. I didn't take them out of the packaging because we haven't used them yet, but I thought if we have people over or something, those are like cute festive ones that kind of match my tree. And then these little lights and yeah, some trees down there. But I kind of just kept it simple because I thought if we have people over, then I can put out what I need to on here. But it was so funny. In one of my videos recently, somebody actually said they were like, that bar cart is in a different spot in every video, and it's so true. I've had no idea where to put this bar cart, but I think it looks good in here for now for the holiday season. I'm sure it'll end up moving after that. I didn't really do any festive pillows on our sofas because there's already like a lot of pillows on them already that came on it. Just my nice big cozy Ugg blanket that I've been using every single night. It is so soft. And then over here, if you guys watched one of my videos where I was decorating the rest of our house, I kind of changed this area up just a tiny bit. I had a Mary and a Joy sign. They were like really colorful. I had those on the bookshelves and it was just sort of feeling a little bit too much for me. Like I just kind of wanted the bookshelves to be a little bit more plain. So I ended up taking those down and just kept everything super simple for now. After Christmas, I'm gonna have to do an entire video on decorating these bookshelves because I'm pretty much gonna have to remove everything because this will be gone over here. And then this is actually our centerpiece on our table when it's not Christmas. that'll be gone, so there'll be like nothing left. So I'm gonna have to do a whole decorating video on these shelves right here. But if you guys missed the video of the before and after of this, I'll also leave that video down below too, because these cabinets, we just got them a couple weeks ago. Joshua and my dad installed them, and I just love them so much. And then over here, this may look a little bit different too, because when I was decorating my mantle in one of my videos, we did not have a TV. I was telling you guys in that video, I wanted to get the frame TV, but it wasn't on sale yet. And we weren't sure when it was gonna go on sale again, so we just put this one up. It was one that we already had. And then 2 days later, after we mounted this one, the frame TV goes on sale again. So we're just gonna wait a while. This one is totally fine, but we have a TV in here now. This is just some plain, simple garland from Target, everything. And then some of you guys suggested that I tuck these little pom-poms into the stockings, because these were just stockings that I already had, and I do think it looks way better with these tucked in, because it was a little too much with my garland. But then everything else is pretty simple. I have some pretty little lanterns down there, a cozy little basket with my Ugg pillow, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll show you guys this really cute picture of our dogs that I took the other day. The boy's standing in front of the Christmas tree. But that is everything that I had to share with you guys for this house tour. We still have our half bath video that I have to share with you guys. We literally just finished doing some things on that bathroom like a couple of days ago, but that is an entirely separate video for that half bathroom reveal. I know so many of you have been asking me about it. We just ran into a few things with that bathroom that have taken a little bit longer, but keep a lookout for that video. That one's coming. Also in 2020, we are going to start doing things on the upstairs of our house. If you guys have been keeping up, we remodeled this whole entire main level of this house after we bought it. So this is our remodeled Christmas tour. Upstairs we didn't decorate, but 2020 we are going to start working on decorating up there. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. But I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you really soon in my next video.